Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today's August the 17th, 2024, and we're going to take a look at our pomegranates and see what kind of progress we have here. Going forward, I'm going to remove these bricks that are on the ground and just start filling the ground up with more leaves and detritus and mulch, so that way we can get more nutrients to these pomegranates. But let's look around. It's the middle of summer. It's the hottest month of the year. We've been having sporadic rains, not as much as usual, but they're looking somewhat happy. There's a little yellowing, which means they're not getting enough nitrogen. But if you look here, there's a flower coming out. This leaves and detritus has been inoculated with beneficial bacteria and beneficial fungi and let sit for over a year before it went into this bed. We did lose a few of the pomegranate trees. They got real skimpy like this, and then they just turned into skeletons like that. So I want to, like I said, I want to get rid of this barrier because it's keeping me from being able to mow. Now that these are big enough, I'm just gonna remove that and I'll be able to mow inside around the trees. Oh, look at that. Do you see that? There's a fruit. Okay, so there's a bunch of flowers here. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. These guys have been alive for approximately 5 years, but they haven't produced much. So I see these flowers. I see two pomegranates. Wow, these have just been growing without me even knowing. That's pretty crazy. There's another one over there. How many more are in here? So that's, what, 3? Look at that one. That's 4, 5, oh, 6. Wow, 6. That's, what, 6 so far? That's incredible. I didn't know. Oh, look. 7 and 8. Wow, so these guys over here are producing. Now, if you look at their location, it's out in the full sun, so it gets sun all day long. I've been reading up on these, and they do require full sun to produce. So that's interesting. The temperature's been really high. The humidity's been really high. So the fact that they're producing in a very humid environment is pretty interesting. So I think when it comes to production, it's looking like they require a decent amount of nutrients to produce. That's what it's looking like. Now, we don't use any fertilizers, any insecticides for these guys, so they're dependent literally solely on the environment for their production. I give them a little help with watering, but that's it, only during the dry months, which is March, April, May. But going forward, we're learning how these pomegranates behave in our environment here. It was to my knowledge that they really only liked the drier, non-humid environments with not a whole lot of rain. But as I said, we have a lot of humidity here, so that's really a major factor. So the fact that they're producing is a good thing. It looks like you can grow pomegranates in Florida. Now, we're not 100% successful yet, okay? We still have to wait until these guys mature. So how many are we going to get from little pomegranate to maturity? How many are we actually going to harvest? That has yet to be determined. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That helps the channel grow, and stay tuned because I will keep you updated on the progress of these pomegranates. And have a great day.